Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my day and evening skincare routine. Honestly, I don't believe in 10-step or 20-step skincare routines. I mean, who has the time and money for this really? I prefer a minimalistic skincare routine with only skincare products that I think are essential. I already addressed the essential skincare products in my previous videos, so if you want to get more information about that, then you should definitely watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how I use these skincare products in my day and evening skincare routine and in what order. First of all, my name is Detollenaere. I graduated as a medical doctor last year at the University of Brussels. I'm also the owner of the blog Dr. Contour, and I started this YouTube channel documenting my life as a medical student while I was still in medical school, but now I make more videos like this one, so skincare, medical aesthetics, aesthetic surgery, everything related to that. So if this sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my blog, Dr. Contour, my Instagram or other social media channels. Let's start with my evening routine.
Before you start, make sure you put your hair up or do like me, use a cute headband like this to keep hair away from your face. I honestly am so in love with these flamingo pajamas, but they are not so practical with these feathers at the sleeves, so I'm just pulling up my sleeves first.
So the first step is cleansing, and especially when wearing makeup, it is important to do double cleansing. Double cleansing is important, especially when you're someone who wears face makeup like me. If you're not wearing any makeup, I would advise you to clean your face with hydrating cleanser only. Double cleansing ensures that your skin is thoroughly clean and free from dirt, oil and makeup residue.
So the first step in double cleansing involves using micellar water or oil-based cleanser to remove all traces of makeup, including waterproof mascara and eyeliner from your skin.
This step is essential because traditional cleansers may not be strong enough to remove all of the makeup, especially from the delicate eye area.
First cleanse. Micellar water. Start by shaking the bottle of micellar water to activate the formula. Soak a cotton pad with the micellar water. Gently swipe the cotton pad across your face. Repeat the process until your skin is completely clean. As for your eye makeup, hold the cotton pad gently against your closed eyes for a few seconds. This helps to dissolve the makeup and makes it easier to remove. Using a gentle sweeping motion, wipe the cotton pad across your eyelid, starting from the inner corner of your eye and moving outwards. Be careful not to rub or pull the delicate skin around your eyes.
The second step of double cleansing involves using a hydrating cleanser to deeply cleanse your skin and remove any remaining impurities. This step helps to prevent clogged pores, acne and breakouts, and prepares your skin for the application of other skincare products like serums, moisturizers and treatments.
Second cleanse, hydrating cleanser. I'm using this hydrating cleanser from CeraVe. Gently massage a dime-sized amount of the cleanser on your face and rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. It's important to note that you don't want to use hot water when cleansing your face, as it can strip the skin of its natural oils and cause dryness or irritation. Also, be gentle when massaging the cleanser onto your skin and avoid rubbing too hard, as this can also cause irritation. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Leaving your skin damp after cleansing may lead to moisture loss, which can dry out your skin. So make sure to dry your face before moving on to the next step of your skincare routine. Now that we have clean, dry skin, we can apply retinol cream. This is a powerful ingredient that helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots and boosts collagen production. You should apply a pea-sized amount of retinol to your face, avoiding the eye area and any areas of broken or irritated skin. Start with using retinol once or twice a week and gradually increase the frequency over time as your skin becomes more accustomed to it.
Some people may tolerate using it every day, while others may need to continue using it only a few times a week. I personally don't use retinol cream in my day routine because retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. It's also recommended to use retinol in your nighttime skincare routine, as it can increase cell turnover while you sleep.
Don't forget the neck and chest area. It is generally recommended to extend your skincare routine to your neck and chest as well. I'm not putting applying enough on the chest area in this video because I wanted to keep the video somehow decent. Allow the retinol to fully absorb into your skin before applying any other products. Actually, after applying a skincare product, it is generally recommended to wait 1 to 2 minutes before applying another product. This allows the first product to fully absorb into the skin and maximize its effectiveness before applying the next product.
It's also important to be patient when using retinol, as results take time and some minor irritation or redness may occur in the beginning, but this usually subsides over time. To prevent the dryness and irritation, using retinol cream always needs to be followed by a moisturizer.
Finally, I apply a moisturizer, and this is important because it helps to hydrate your skin and prevent dryness while you sleep. When you sleep, your skin loses moisture, so using a moisturizer or night cream can help to replenish it. I apply a small pea-sized amount of night cream and warm it up between my fingers. A little goes a long way when it comes to moisturizers. Be sure to cover your entire face, including your neck. Allow the cream to absorb into your skin for a few minutes. It is also important to use a gentle touch around the eyes. When applying moisturizer or night cream around the eyes, use a gentle touch and avoid pulling or tugging at the delicate skin around your eyes.
Some moisturizer can irritate the eyes, so it can be good to avoid your eye area. However, some moisturizers may work well around your eye area and you might not need a separate eye cream. I personally use a separate eye cream. It can be beneficial if you're concerned about issues such as puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, or wrinkles around the eyes. Eye creams are formulated with specific ingredients that target these concerns, and they can be more gentle and hydrating than regular face creams. However, eye creams are entirely optional in your skincare routine.
So, take a small amount of eye cream, squeeze a small amount of eye cream onto your fingertip. You only need a pea-sized amount for both eyes. Gently dab around the eye area. Using your ring finger, gently dab the eye cream around the orbital bone, which is the bone that surrounds your eye. Avoid applying the cream too close to your eyes or directly on your eyelids. Pat gently. After applying the eye cream, use your ring finger to pat the skin gently. Do not rub or pull the skin around your eyes, as this can cause wrinkles. Remember that less is more when it comes to eye cream.
Using too much can actually cause puffiness or irritation. It's also important to choose an eye cream that is appropriate for your skin type and concerns.
Now, let's move on to my daytime routine.
The first step is cleansing to remove any excess oils or dirt that may have accumulated overnight.
In the morning, I prefer to cleanse my face with water, but you can also use a gentle cleanser if your skin tends to be oily or acne prone. If you have dry skin, I would advise you to cleanse your face with water, and that's what I do. Avoid using hot water as it can strip your skin of its natural oils. I make sure to pat my face dry with a clean towel.
Next, I apply a vitamin C serum. This is the most important serum for daytime routine since it's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental damage and brighten your complexion.
I apply it before my SPF cream to make sure it's the first thing that touches my skin, and it has been proven that sunscreen works better for you. I take a few drops of vitamin C serum onto the palm of my hands. Using my fingertips, I gently apply the serum to my face and neck, avoiding the eye area. I use upward and outward motions to massage the serum into my skin, allowing it to fully absorb. After that, I wait a few minutes for the serum to fully absorb before applying any additional products. Then I take a small amount of moisturizer and warm it up between my fingertips. I apply the moisturizer to my face using upward and outward motions, starting from the center of my face and working my way out. I also apply the moisturizer to my neck and chest as well, using the same upward and outward motions.
Remember to choose a moisturizer that's appropriate for your skin type and concerns, and adjust your moisturizer based on the weather conditions. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you may prefer a lighter, oil-free moisturizer. If you have a dry or mature skin, you may prefer a richer, more hydrating moisturizer. Last but not least,
I apply SPF cream to protect my skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and skin cancer.
Remember that it is important to wear SPF cream every day, even on cloudy days or during winter months. This is because harmful UVA rays are still present and can cause skin damage, premature aging, and skin cancer. I always use SPF SPF 50 and make sure it protects against both UVA and UVB rays.
This is the one skincare product that you can never apply too much of. I take a sufficient amount of SPF cream and apply it to my face, neck and chest area. After that, I wait for a few minutes for the SPF cream to fully absorb into my skin before applying makeup or other skincare products. Remember to reapply the SPF cream every 2 hours throughout the day. I personally always have an extra SPF cream in my handbag or car so that I'm never without it.
What I forgot to show you in my routine is the use of lip balm. It's actually important because the skin on our lips is delicate and thin, and they are exposed to harsh environmental factors such as cold weather, wind and UV radiation. So it is recommended to use lip balm to protect the lips from these external factors and keep them hydrated. I would also advise to use lip balm with SPF in your morning skincare routine. So that's my day and evening skincare routine. I really hope this video was helpful and gave you some ideas on how to take better care of your skin. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so always listen to your skin and adjust your routine accordingly. If you are dealing with specific skin problems, I really advise you to visit a dermatologist for professional advice from a specialist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.